Interactive dashboard. The interactive absence dashboard is the home screen in Engage. This view shows a live snapshot of absence stats from the last 30 days. The first graph shows overall absence level development. You will normally see an orange line for your company and a green line for your team or department. The blue line shows the company target absence level. If you want to drill down to absence stats in a specific department, you can select it here at the top, and all graphs update instantly. In the middle, you see the number of days lost to absence converted to a cost value. This is based on an average cost per day lost figure. This is usually set up as an average for the whole company. You can also configure the cost per day lost values for all employees individually or based on their job role. If you're interested in the cost calculations, watch our tutorial on that topic. On the right, you see the absence trends by reason for absence. At a high level, this is split to medical, non-medical, and authorised. You can click on any of these items to see the top 5 absence categories within that class. If you click on an absence category, you'll see the top 5 absence reasons in that category. Click right on a PC or tap 2 fingers on a Mac to go back a level. In the bottom row, managers can see their task's completion status. If the red segment in these half-moon charts starts to get bigger, managers should take a look at their task list. This middle graph shows how many absences took place on each day in the month, and if you click on any bar in the graph, you'll see the list of absentees for that day. Going back to the dashboard, the pie chart in the bottom right corner shows the split between short and long-term absence. The chart updates every few seconds to show this split in terms of lost working time versus number of absences. You'll often find that more time is lost to long-term absence, but there are fewer long-term absence spells. Again, if you click on a segment in the chart, you'll see the list of short or long-term absentees in the last month.